Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at a beer called Clear Nights. Clear Nights. But before we do, and you end up liking this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and hit that notification bell for more great beer reviews. I greatly appreciate it. So this beer is brewed by Aislinn. I'm guessing it's called Aislinn. Aislinn or Aislinn. But they really want to call it Aislinn? I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce it. My money's on Aislinn, because I would be the last person to call this Aislinn, for obviously reasons. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a beer called Clear Nights. But before we do, and you end up liking this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and hit that notification bell for more great beer reviews. So this beer it was founded by, or the brewery was founded in 2015, and this is from the Aislinn, A-S-L-I-N, Aislinn Beer Company. Yeah, it was founded in 2015. The brewery was. And this is a West Coast style IPA. More, you see this style a lot out on the West Coast. And this is a 7% beer, and the IBUs, I couldn't get a direct number on the IBUs on this specific beer. They had the style anywhere from 40 to 70 IBUs on a West Coast IPA. But this particular beer, I did not find anything on the IBUs. So it don't matter. I'll tell you exactly what it is. My taste buds get it right to the number, within 2 or 3 numbers. I might be full of it. I might not be. You be the judge. Gotta remember, when you usually always pour 12-ounce glass, you gotta remember, when you're pouring a 16, don't pour it all if it's only a 12-ounce glass. Helpful tip from me to you. That's very tropical. There's definitely pine there, but there's a lot of citrus. Maybe a little bit of grapefruit, but there is quite a bit of citrus. And there's obviously two finger head there. I don't know if you can see the carbonation. There's quite a bit of carbonation. I can see the outside, but nothing clear, like when I see through a clear beer. So this is a little hazy. Good enough hazy. So the IPAs usually, or they used to scare me. I think I'm definitely getting used to them. So if I would have done this a few months ago or 6 months ago, this might have scared me. So it smells like an IPA. So with the taste, you definitely get grapefruit, and there's some pine, and maybe a bit of mango. There's probably a little pineapple there. It's not bad. Then there's a light aftertaste, and that's probably an aftertaste of pine more than anything else, but it's very light. I also get a little papaya, just a little, and still that there's that aftertaste of the pine that kind of lingers for a few seconds, probably about 5 seconds, 6 seconds, 10 seconds, but it's very light. It's not very strong. And I would say the IBUs, I'd say between 40 and 50. I don't think they're way over the top. Doesn't taste extremely piney. I would say the IBUs are probably, it's hard to say. I'd say right around the 50 range. It's really hard to say. There's so many things in there that when you use certain hops to give a citrus flavor, it's kind of hard to judge the IBUs on that. This ain't bad. I'd say if, and I don't know where I got this. I think I got it from a store in New York, state of New York, I believe. It's can't remember the name of that place. So this beer here, I got at Halftime Beverage. HalftimeBeverage.com. And HalftimeBeverage.com is, I believe, in New York State, I believe. And they package their beer 24 at a time, so it's best to buy, you get the best deal probably if you buy 24. And this beer was probably, I'm guessing, around $3.50, $4. It's a 7%, 16 ounce. And when you buy 24 or up to 24, they deliver. In the state of New York, it's $15. Anywhere outside of the state of New York, in the continent of the United States, $20. So it's cheaper to have them deliver a bunch than it is for me to drive up to the cities and buy a bunch of beer. Except I only get 24 at a time. If I got 48, then it'd be $40. You know, it is what it is. That's still probably cheaper than going up there. I got a big truck. Horrible gas mileage. I'm definitely getting used to these IPAs. If you like to check out the lacing, there it is. Lacing don't mean much for me. What I care about is it's not flat and it tastes good. And it's got alcohol in it. Geez, it's kind of cold in this room. This is the other side of my house, turned into my studio, and there's not much heat in here. It's not that cold. It's colder than the other side. I would say this is probably going to do it for this video. I would rate this a 6. I don't mind this. And for me to say I don't mind it, I'm saying a lot because I normally don't like IPAs. So if you want to get a good deal on beer, unique beer, they have quite a few. Probably 800 different ones, 600, I don't know. Quite a few. So if you want unique beers from all over, check it out. If you forgot what I said, just go back a little bit and check it out again.